Angon dong lagi. Tasone soal jadi bilo, eta nabore theo pangai lo.
I want to see that within 15-20 years there will be a lot of changes over here.
Aro ang nuna hal dong, sina nina hal dong, hebe 15 ba 20 বছর pangai lo kidul liu nabore thai thuleu.
To uplift our economy.
Dana singe thai thuli go dilanga musi.
Most of us are depending on farming and agriculture.
Jing hebe taga chau farming re agriculture go para jing pegolo chol thai do.
From my side, I will see that the government will have a special place for our farmers.
Ai pas ye pana ang new singa musi nabura musi be krom kidiala rawa musi kisha thanga malgo.
It's not the trader who will put the price,
Pero be pepari rao ya pego tigrina do.
but there will be the MSP will be there.
People
Minimum support price.
nabore kidi riwa mal mogor go dam to go tiala musi ang sasti ring.
And I'll see that the government will bear the premium for the insurance for crops and animals.
Aro ang government go asong dong aro pase nabore kidi padi ne sumo pimun go tiala musi.
If anything happens to your crop due to natural calamities,
Jadi nabore kaya poa kini padi roman padi pari manisal pari ndaba haji pema thangyan pando haji yang ligai do.
if anything happens to your livestock,
Aro nabore kini padi ro padi pari mani jajia bothon na
our farmers won't lose anything,
nabor sogol kini ala rao.
so that they can start again the same
Nabore manya hangiwa man go pore hosa pusi yang
through the
seru.
insurance that they will get.
Aro nabor government panape insurance go rabag mano.
I know
Ang sidong
one day,
tinjantina.
this is my dream,
Ebeng do I hormon.
this is my vision,
Ebeng do I ask.
that your community over here, 13 villages over here,
Ang sidong hebe tayo nabore pero tak rai tomo.
your economy will be lifted.
Nabore ekonomi ko dialog.
Not only you, but the Mawati constituency as a whole.
Nabore siknya asa ho mahoti constituency. Kishan
As of now, people are saying that Mawati constituency is one of the backward constituency among the 5 constituencies in Riboy.
pasta riboy display constituency no majo. Sogolo hondo hebe mahoti lo sogola kuli siawa rongyawa tukiang thawa kuriu koi thawa.
But one day,
Tebo tinjantina
the world will see
mati konchal nu.
that Mawati constituency is on the top.
Mahoti constituency go sogola kuli shau thawa tinjantina nu.
What we need is unity.
Inda yawnang ro pega ma musido thungsha thawa.
We will work together.
Sogolo ching shabe rabe krom jolana.
This time give a chance to UDP.
Aro hebe londo UDP na por.
UDP will rule this time.
UDP lo hai re hukum re hebe poshore phana.
To bring development and to raise the economy of our people.
Ak parewa go labosa aro living re tukia puri ang thau go charging tiala musi.
I know
Ang sidong
that this present government
ethane hong thawa government sarkar
is living on loans from the bank.
aro pibun ro loan se chairo.
Who will pay the burden?
Pibun loan go charge to you.
The next government will have to pay the burden.
Aro pibure tahan sangi thailawa go pina nanga go.
If you are taking a loan from the bank, do you think the bank will spare you?
Nabor sido na nabor jadi bank e pana loan lagai do nabor loan go.
They will come, they will issue notice to you,
Sir nabor go suju
and they will come to your door so that you will have to return the money.
aro nabor go na suji ha nabor loan lai kara nabor othong
The present government, under the leadership of NPP,
ethane hong thawa sarkar NPP ne hai ritawa hukum ritawa.
I used to say that it is a feel-good government without nothing good at all.
Ang hondong ebe government go sokola kuli lakhat jawa pojok jawa thangyawa.
If you go to Shillong, you'll see big hoardings
Nabor silo liger nabor no
that the government has done this much, has done this much, has done this much.
piburo no riga chato chine do na kangam nabur no chilom jingli gai do.
That is feel good.
Ke do he ka not thado.
But there is nothing good at all.
Ekol abo hanto amal ya pimon.
We hope
To
that realization will come to our people, to our brothers and sisters in Meghalaya.
Chinge Meghalaya ne thai ko jal ro hebe go sara mano aro sheran mano.
That this time they will give a chance to UDP.
Aro pekane le hebe porodo.
UDP.
Libing rao Meghalaya rat des rao UDP na mushi.
Give us a chance. Give us a chance.
Chinga for gospel.
We'll bring change to the state.
Kidula go laboso Meghalaya state.
So many things will happen in these days.
Bangai kidul liwa thang liwa ko.
We are having only few days before the election.
Aro election e ago chinge para for jaga tidin
People will come to you with money.
Living rao nabore thayo thai puisa so
To lure you with money.
nabora mushi chaseo.
And they will say, vote for us, we'll give you this much, this much.
Aro chinga mushi nabore torsha vote ko os mane puisa phaire nabor ko prena piu.
Suppose if you get 5,000 rupees for one vote,
Are kisha ude pantau chidi 5000 taka mando hongai ro.
its value is only 1,000 rupees for 1 year.
Ega hongai do 5000 hongai do. Pochor chawro 1000 chasi se.
And in 1 day it will be 2 rupees 84 paisa.
Are 300 hongai daro ikuri tithaga chari puisa se ko.
Is that your value?
Pel thangana nabore kisha vote 5000 one
My brothers and sisters,
nabor atkal lato kai ko jal paina noro.
it's time for us to realize
Ethalo popor kommatai atkal lana.
that our destiny depends on me and you.
Ethalo chinge lam taril bo pathona chona nabur aro ang.
If we make a mistake
Chiri ching yo
on the 27th,
ikuri sa targo chiri klal mangai no ching.
don't say that on the 28th I'll go and cast my vote again.
Aro tahun kabo ikuri atarigo ai.
Don't say that after voting I'll cast my vote again.
Aro asahong ko vote ko porena ikuri atarigo do.
But you'll have to wait for 5 years.
Aro kosai man
You'll have to wait for 5 years.
ching aro pegalong ngai na ar pas pojor rakhe thana gobo.
5 years, your child who is in class 1 will be in class 6.
Aro pas pojor ma jo etha chiri ne kor kia chiri class 1 hongai do pe class 6 hong lebo.
Your child who has finished matric will be in BA.
Aro nabore kor kia chiri matric chongai do pe do pas pojor kena do BA chonobo.
So, my friends,
Pegane lo ai chor pahai rao.
think properly.
Ko matai lo akal la.
Go and cast your vote
Nabure vote ko sona nangane ago.
with responsibility.
Nabur ko matai lo sara manla.
Responsibility not only for yourself,
Responsibility na akal na na do othong sajana sisya.
but for your children, for the next generation.
Sebo nabure sa sajaro nabure aksia chuti ro jibo akal la.
God will bless us all.
Minde singo poroso.
That as a community,
Kisha chat maha.
we'll remain and stick to our identity.
Pegan pandalo kisha chat maha sing othe sinak ko plawa thangya.
As a community,
O kisha chat maha
our economy will be uplifted.
singe tuki apor yang thawang kiri padiman cheso
So
hajar
that the future of our children, our grandchildren will be bright.
aro pega chidi hongligai do singe sa
Me and
sajaro
you.
singe sudiro akching
Our
class
days are counted,
singe tin go do aro lekel lamte do
but think for the next generation.
timun go kosoima
Think for your children, for your grandchildren.
ak singa honglina nanga phiri na musise
Please,
mon kroare
don't forget
hebe kisha khata
that
gotta
on the 27th
ikuri sa tariko
of this month,
hebe chonayo
when you go to the polling station,
nabor polling station a liwan for
cast your vote
nabure torsha vote ko
on the symbol of the drum.
sobo krame mursho
Hagabam!
hagabom
Hagabam!
hagabom
Don't forget
pego dablo
that the serial number is number 1.
aro kramlo action tha kisha
It is serial number 1.
peda ek number hondo
We will be number 1 in my constituency.
sogol lokosaiman number 1 lo hondo kram
We will be number 1 in Meghalaya.
aro Meghalaya
Let the sound of the bomb. Let the sound of the bomb start beating from here.
Aro jingkhonao pe krame prungago pedina.
And let the whole world know
Aro sogol siubo
that we are on the right track.
jinglo aksyonta aro jinglo.
A future of hope for all of us. A future of hope.
Aro jinge akjinga hoan nangal bo pede. Ikuri sat tariko da.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sewa panai hajar hajar sewa lo.
God bless you all. Hagabab. 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 Tuble. Tuble.
Sewa panai.
Sebelum berani kami punya